Let's start by creating a new project. I have created already. Now we are going to install Tailwind CSS. We have successfully installed Tailwind packages. Then we initialize it. You can see two files created called postcss.config.js and tailwind.config.js. We are adding path to all of our template files. Don't confuse in postcss.config and tailwind.config. Here we are adding Tailwind directives for each of Tailwind's layers to our index.css file. We don't need these, delete all and paste here. Now, we run our project to check Tailwind is working or not. And make sure you have PostCSS language support plugin is installed. Otherwise it will not work. You can see here paragraph tag, there is no styles applied. Now, I'm gonna style this p tag using Tailwind CSS to show you is it working or not. Simply I'm giving underline and make it large font. If you like the video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.